Guys, I'm Dr. Amish Mehta and I am the Director of Chandan Dental Private Limited. I am an MDS orthodontist by profession. An amazing experience that I have had with Solarium Green Energy, who are the pioneers in solar energy electricity generation, not only in Gujarat but probably in India. The work is so meticulous. The service was done absolutely impeccable. There was no inconvenience caused to us. And everything is super duper awesome, and the way the post sales and the post construction service, etc., everything is superb. And I would especially like to mention here, Jignesh Shah, who has coordinated the entire project himself, taking a lot of personal interest, and Ravi Mehta, who was in charge of the entire operation here in Vadodara, and he did a super duper awesome job. Kudos to them both, and thank you.